In this video, I'm going to show you 5 apps that pay, and they're all completely different. They can all work together and they can all earn you a nice little income, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire. Welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, I make videos about make money online all the time like this one. So if you want to see more like this, please scroll down, hit the subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified every time we release a new make money online video. I just want to say guys, these apps will make you money, but they will not get you rich. So bear that in mind. Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you 5 apps that you can make money on your phone, a little bit of passive income each month. They're all free to get, and they all work differently, so you can have them all at the same time. Now the first one, because I'm trying to show you on the computer, it's not loading up proper. Well, it's not loading up at all. So the first one's called iBotta. Or iBotta, I don't know how you say it. Basically, it's a cashback app for purchases online. Yeah, so you get between 5 and 15% cashback when you shop online. Yeah, so you use this, and you get money. You get money back. Plus, you get over 20. You get £20 for signing up. So it's worth signing up just for get the 20 quid. So yeah, so the more shopping you do online, that you use this app, and you get more cash back. So it's a nice little way to save money and also get rewarded. Now the next one, guys, is it's great for anyone who's looking to save up. It's called M1 Finance. It's the #1 finance account that does it all, according to this. They basically make investing easy, or look easy. It's completely beginner friendly, and it's completely free. Best thing is, yeah, it's free to sign up, no fees. It's got no fees for any purchases whatsoever, guys. So basically, yeah, you invest for free, yeah, in the stock and ETF portfolio. You can borrow a low-cost line of credit, pay back on your schedule. And it's coming soon spending. Worth checking out, guys. It's very good for saving up for the future. If you look on the app in the Google Play or the App Store, it's got quite a lot of good ratings, good reviews. So moving on now, guys, #3 is called SlideJoy. Basically what it is pretty much what it sounds like. Every time you switch your phone on, like when it's on standby, you want to wake it up, an advert will play, and you basically got to swipe it away. This one won't get you much money, but it's very, very easy to do. It's only available on the Android though, guys, and it's completely free, but it's basically as if you can be bothered. You know, ads can be quite annoying, can't they? So every time you switch your phone on, you're gonna have to, or every time you wake your phone up or go on your phone, you're gonna have to swipe that out of the way. But you get paid for it. You won't get much, but you get something for it. But moving on now, I don't know if you've heard this one called Swagbucks. You earn gift cards, and you can get cash by PayPal, but you can get gift cards and that. These companies have spoke about it. That's a lot, quite a lot of money, that, guys. It lets you earn free gift cards for taking surveys. You take surveys, watch videos, shopping online, like by saving again, much more. There's a video where you can watch a couple of testimonials. Free, like I said, free to join. You earn between £5 and £25 gift cards. It says here, taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web, playing games. So there's quite a lot of different ways you can earn money. If you fancy playing a game, play some games, earn some money. Take a survey, search the web. Yep. Get gift cards for like Amazon, Marks and Spencer's, John Lewis, so many more. Next one, guys, is a very popular one. Got loads of good ratings. It's called Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. I have actually spoke about this one before on one of my other app videos. But what I do, guys, I search and try and find the best ones out at the time, and this one's always getting mentioned, so I thought I'd mention it again, guys. You basically don't need to do anything. It'll be on your phone and it just runs in the background, and you get paid for it, so it's good, isn't it? So yeah, so I'll quickly go through them again. I think it's Ibotta. It's not loading up for some reason, but that's like it's one of them cashback apps. Buy online, you save, and you earn. Then you got M1 Finance, where you're building for the future, you're saving up for the future, and you can invest. It's like investing basically. It's beginner friendly, very easy to use, and it's completely free. Next one is SlideJoy. Basically, yeah, it's got ads on your phone, you're swiping them away. Then got Swagbucks, which is a bit of everything really. This one, games, surveys, you name it. And then last one is Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. So yeah, so you could have this one running in the background, where you could wake up in the morning, swipe here, all while this is running in the background. You think, all right, I'll watch a video. Yeah, then I'll do some shopping online, and then once I've done some shopping, I'll go and check my stocks, shares. So yeah, you can have more money, guys. So guys, that's actually it for now. I know it's only a short video, but there's not much really to talk about with these apps. I've not used any of these. That computer and mobile panel, I'm gonna get that on my phone, and I'm going to try that M1 Finance. But as for the rest, I don't want the adverts on all the time, and I don't do much shopping online, so that Ibotta and that SlideJoy it's not for me, that. But as for the app what runs in the background, I've got one running at the moment and it's working well. And the finance one, I'm looking into investing in stocks and shares, so that I'm interested in that one. But Swagbucks, I watch videos, so maybe I'll check it out. It's quite a popular one. So if you've got any value out of this, guys, please let me know in the comment section. Again, I apologise for having a short video, but I've got quite a bit to work on, so thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.